Hello, I'm Dr. Gayathri, an educational therapist. I work with kids having learning difficulties, especially reading and spelling challenges. Today I got a reader pen from the company Scanning Pens and I'm going to unbox it. Let's see it. This is a reader pen. It's a C pen. It's actually compatible. It is compatible in English, French and Spanish. This is the pen actually. It's very small, very compact and easy. There is a USB charging port and a audio jack to connect our audio ports. Then let me tell you how to use this. The first one is we have to go to the menu. Okay. These are the features. It has got text reader, dictionary mode, scanning and recorder. I want to try this with the text reader. I'll take a storybook. It's the Alice story. Let's see how we can use this. Once we switch this on, it's just like a highlighter. You have to just go over the words here. There's a small light coming over here. We could move just till whichever word we need.
Soon Alice was so small.
Yeah, soon Alice was so small. So it's very comfortable and easy to use, and it can be just moved. Young children can also use it.
Without the little door.
It's not so heavy, very compact and comfortable. There is also dictionary mode in this. To go back to the dictionary mode, you have to go back to the menu and then go to the dictionary. For dictionary, once the kids start reading and if they have difficulty with any particular word, like soon Alice was so small, she could fit. If you're not able to read this word, you don't know what the word is exactly. Just go to the dictionary mode, go to the scanning.
Through.
Yes, through.
Through. Prep 1 going in or starting at one side and coming out or stopping at the other side of a path through the wood 2. Occupying or visiting several points scattered around in.
We just saw the video of the demo. I would definitely recommend this pen. This would be like ideal for kids from around 3rd grade or 4th grade. It's very comfortable and parents can just give the pen directly to the kids. They can itself handle. And the main thing is they would be exposed to variety of books. Kids can also use this on a different kind of books other than their usual school books or the usual routine homeworks or anything. They can also use this for their child-friendly magazines or for their games or any activities they can start doing by themselves and try exploring it. It's very comfortable and compact also. I would definitely recommend for kids because most times kids can understand, they can understand more, their comprehension levels would be good, but because they are not able to read and their grade levels are little lower, that becomes a difficulty for them. So once they start using this pen, it's like an additional advantage. They will be exposed to more kind of books and their vocabulary would also definitely enrich. Yeah, thank you.